let's take note that triangles are similar, and you can use the similar symbol if you want, if they have the same angles and are proportional. So we have some similarity theorems that we're going to learn. This is where we get to the part where similarity theorems are very similar to our congruency theorems, and so that was why it was important to determine which ones work for proving congruency and which ones work for proving similarity. So we have angle-angle similarity theorem that says if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So if angle A is congruent to angle D and angle B is congruent to angle E, then triangle ABCD or ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Another theorem is that the side-side-side similarity theorem says if the corresponding means the ones that go together, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. So if AB over DE equals BC over EF, which equals AC over DF, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And we have one more similarity theorem. The side angle side similarity theorem. And the side angle side similarity theorem says that if an angle of one triangle is congruent to an angle of the second triangle and the sides that include the angles are, this should say are, proportional, then the triangles are similar. So we have angle B being congruent to angle E. So the sides that include that are this one and this one, and this one, and this one. Notice that I did not put congruency markings on here because we're not talking about being the same size, we're talking about being the same shape. So if angle B is congruent to angle E and AB over DE is congruent to side BC over EF, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Let's go ahead and look at example 2, where we can use some of these things. In example 2, I'm given 3 sides of each triangle, so I need to check to see, are these similar, or are these proportional? So the smallest side, AB, would need to go to the smallest side, which is the 4.5. So we need to check, is 3 over 4.5 equal to 4 over 6 and 5 over 7.5. So we're looking at which pieces go together. The longest sides go together. The middle sides go together. So we're lining those up to see. And make sure if you put the small triangle on top, that you put the small triangle on top for all of them. Or if you put the big one on top, you put the big one on top for all of them. So when I do this, this comes out to about a repeating 6 there. And this is a repeating 6. And this comes out to be a repeating 6. So because all of those are congruent, the sides are proportional. Therefore, here we go, this little symbol right here, you can learn that, those 3 little dots. That means therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So this is our similarity statement. The triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Let's look at B. Are triangles ABC and DEF similar? Well, we know that this angle and this angle are congruent. Therefore, we need to see if the sides are proportional. So I'm going to compare this 8 and the 12 to the 16 and the 24. So I'm going to go ahead and say 12 over 8 and 24 over 16. I can reduce this. Both of these are divisible by 4. So 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 4 goes into 8 twice. And over here I can divide by 8. 8 goes into 24 3 times, and 8 goes into 16 twice. And so we have triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by side angle side similarity, not congruency, theorem. This one was by side similarity theorem. Go ahead and pause your video, do the try-its, and come back and check. Thank you for pausing your video to do your try-its. Take note on part A that there is not enough information. Although we are given angle 58 congruent to 58, and we have 4 matching up to 2, we do not have the other included side. In order to use side angle side, we would need this other side right here matching up to this side right here. And we don't have that information. So the sides that they gave us do not include the angle. So the angle is not between those two sides. So we don't get to use that. So that is not enough information.